Go! Clarence, we're leaving it. On a little trip down the Gwilli Railway back to Gwilli Junction. And the river's still flowing fast. The River Gwilli with all the rain off of it. And we're getting a special goodbye from the guys on the station. Cheers!
Yeah.
We've got a Russian and a Hornby industrial tank on the front, and as it curves round we might get a glimpse of the 08 Shona on the back. They're top and tailing today because of the tree fall on the line further back behind us. Spin round, see if we can catch the 08. There she is, it's in BR green. Look at that. We'll get that when we get back to the junction station. What a picturesque setting. And here we go over the Girder Bridge. Just get that in quickly without blocking the camera. Look at that. Lovely Girder Bridge. Look at that. River flowing. Pan back. There we go. Over the river. Obviously coming up to an overbridge. And a few old BR steam engines. There's a pannier tank further up the line. 6430, which is in the shed at the moment, out of use. Make sure we don't hit that. Curving round nicely, get a good view of the valley. Keep the camera on. Bouncing around on these old Mark 1 coaches. All in Wales. I've got a smut in my eye just then. Get rid of it. Watch that. I've got some glasses, I didn't put them on. Watch these smuts. Should be alright. Quite a way away from the engine. Just have to watch them, but they don't get in your eye. You can burn your eye thing. That's not nice. That happened to me before. So this is speed restriction coming up. 15. Just get a view from the back. There's the line curving round to the left. The River Gwilli is on our left hand side, so we don't see it that much. But the railway does get close to it. Meander along. We're not doing very fast. Let's see if we can get over to the other side. There we go. There's the River Gwilli. See, we crossed over it on that bridge. A bit overgrown, the line up there. As we go along. I like the sound coming from that axle box there. Yep, onwards we go. There's a lot of water coming down off the mountains, as you can see. Spectacular rapids further up. Look at that. Permanent way needs to be in good condition here. So any derailments, in you go. Topple in. But all preserved steam railways are limited to 25 mile an hour, so, and we're not even doing that. I would say we're doing no more than about 15, 20 if that. Get all the lovely smell of the smoke from that 060 saddle tank up the front, the blue one, Moon Barrow I think it's called. Industrial tanking. I think we're going to swing round to the right hand side a bit, or is it left? No, it's left. Minutes, coming up to 5 minutes on this video. do want to show you the pannier tank and Bromwood arm. There you go, nice toot from the driver. There we go, at a leisurely pace. Watch for those smuts. Hiding behind the camera just to make sure I don't get any. I don't want any of those smuts in my eyes. The wind's quite strong out here. I had a bit of rain today. This is, oh by the way, this is September the 22nd, 3rd, 2023. This is being filmed for posterity, alright? We're in September 2023. And hopefully this line can extend further back, even up to Pencader Tunnel. But that's a long way off. I'm going to swing round to the left right here, so I'll go across the coach. Sorry. Should be coming up to some sort of sidings in a minute. See that pannier tank? Coming up to it now, where that 060 BR green liveried pannier tank is. Nice shot with the engine going around the curve. What's this? Lovely curve. Should be able to get a good view of the diesel as well. Should do it in a bit, the 08. See her. Back there. Not here. Signal. There's another signal. Those sidings now, yeah, I think we are. I'll show you the rolling stock. I don't think we're going to stop. Driver's slowing down now. Yeah, you can see those smuts in the air. Be careful of those. Yeah, I can see some coaches, and that's where our tank engine is. Coming into a few bits and bobs of rolling stock. Yeah, the pannier tank's where this green shed is on the right, so any minute now we're going to see it. It used to belong to the Gwilli Railway, I believe, this engine. And I took pictures of that in 1975 running on there. There it is. Try and get it in. There she is. 6430. There she is. There's a nice crane, modern sleeping car, and first bits here. We'll transfer over. See what we've got here. Station, look at that, perfect timing. We're not going to stop here. This is another stop. Oh, this is Bromwood Arms. This is all out of use at the moment. The water supply is cut off, and according to the guard on the train, they don't use this at the moment. Got no facilities, so the train doesn't stop here anymore because their headquarters is further back. But this is original stop on the line. Bromwood Arms. There you go, nice view of the station. We'll just catch the rolling stock on the other side. Getting the token ready. I'm going to stop this video in a minute because most of it runs through countryside back to, that's the diesel tooting, countryside back to Abergwyll Junction. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one.